Please, can you see my new environment? Those online, can you see my new environment, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any discipline you can think of, your tools are here. I will show you the tools. I'll first of all take you through the tools. Now, starting from basic diagrams. Let me just leave that and go to business diagram. If you are in human resources management, system management, project management, business intelligence analyst, business intelligence development, you will likely come about process flow diagrams, flow charts, use cases, computer-aided software engineering cases, and many others. So these ones are under business cases. You see arrow diagrams. Now, it is expected that people will go and do presentations because you want to convince customers to buy your products. Now, so these diagrams are available to help you depict whatever thing your business is doing. You have arrows diagram, audit diagram for those who are in accounting. You have basic flowchart diagrams, brainstorming diagrams, business metrics, cause and effects, circle spoke diagram, circular, EPC, and the rest of the diagrams. So you take time and look at them. Flow diagram, value chain, Venn diagram, and many other ones there. Okay, so you take time and see all of these diagrams. There are templates you can just click and then modify to give you what you're looking for. You also have charts. You also have all kinds of charts. You can see charts now. So in your projects, in your proposals, you can come here, pick very clean charts and put on them. For those in engineering, all right, or those who are doing physics, with electronics, you see circuit diagrams here. You can see. Now you can pick these things. Once you pick them, they become editable. You can change it to give you whatever design you're trying to do. You have a basic electrical diagram, semiconductor electrons, and many other ones. And then for those who are in environmental sciences, those who are in EDM, you have floor plan, home plan, office layout. So you can actually do what an architect can do on AutoCAD with this environment. You can design a layout of Wesley University. Once you get the map, you can do the design. So the environment are here for you to do. You can also do a layout of a building or an environment. Like I was sharing this afternoon. If you don't have money to hire architect to do a plan of your house, you can do the plan of your house. Because you know the kind of house you want to live in, right? So you can do the design of the plan of your house, the way it's in your head, before giving anybody to build for you. So the tools are here too. They also have flow charts, all kinds of flow charts. You have mind maps where you convert what is on your mind, your conceptual framework, into diagrams. And then for those who are in computer science, you have network diagrams. You have 3D network diagrams, basic network, logical diagrams, rack diagrams, networks, all of the kinds of tools you need to put in your proposals. They are all here. If you are asked to design a network diagram for this laboratory, you can use this tool to decide how the layout will look like, how the topography of the network will look like. Okay, then for those in human resources, you can develop your organogram, flow of organization here. The tools are here. We don't have time to take you through all of them one by one. Then we have one for project management. For those who are interested in project management, the tools are here. I'll use one of them because of time. Then we have presentation diagrams here. Business plan, newsletter. If you are into publishing, if you don't want to pay somebody to do the dummy of your book or dummy of your magazine or calendar, you can do the dummy here with ease. And then you have template for certificates here. So instead of looking for someone that will use Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop to design certificates, you can do your certificates here. Without any design, you just pick the things you need. And within 5 minutes, you are ready. You're ready to go. Then business cards. You can use any of these business cards and change whatever you want to change in it. You can also build forms, invoice, inventory for businesses. Okay, you can do receipts for people from here. So you can tell someone that you are UI UX design. You can do receipts, you can do invoice, you can do calendar, you can do almanac from here without you struggling. Okay. Then we also have wireframes here. You can design wireframe for phones, for Windows, and the rest. Let me show you a typical wireframe for phone. How it looks like. This is an app. Can you see? This is a wireframe for app. These are just tools that are picked. The tools are available here on this left-hand side. Just drag and drop. Now, is this not looking fine? Let me fix to center. How does it look? It looks like an app, but it is not. It's a wireframe. All the tools that are needed, including the logo for battery, is available. You just pick it and put it where it should be. Put the clock where it should be. Put the call icon where it should be. All the tools are available. So you can if you don't know how to build an Android app here, you can develop the prototype. Okay, so let me step back and show you other ones. You have maps. The maps of the world, they are here. And then for sciences, you see another sciences, physics, you see optics, chemistry equation, all those complex equations. Like those in chemistry, when they want to do their projects, usually they find it difficult to get how to, all those equations, all those symbols, chemical formula, they are all here. Astronomy for those in physics, the human heart, and many of them, they are here. Therefore, those in computer science, so this software, all kinds of tools you need, use case diagrams, diagrams can think of, they are here under software. Then if you want to build databases, the back end of applications, the tools are also here. Then clip arts are here. Fashion, for those who want to develop fashion, critical for fashions, the tools are here. And many other ones. So there are many things you can do. I don't know which one we can take now because of time. So for you to use anyone, you have a question? Okay, for you to use anyone, let me show you. Maybe we'll look at engineering. Engineering, or okay, let's look at wireframe. Wireframe. Now, if I want to build wireframe for web, you see Windows 7 UI. As at the time I downloaded this thing, Windows 8, 9, 10 were not available. So that's why you have Windows 7. So I can develop a wireframe for Windows 7 environments. Okay. I can also do for for websites, okay, as the case may be. So to use anyone, click on it, or you double click. Or you click and come to create here. Okay, it will load up a blank environment for you. But if you want an existing template and you want to tweak, you just click on example. Double click on example. It will load the environment for you. Then you cannot pick the tools as you want. Have you seen how it looks like? Have you seen this? What do you call this piece? Have you seen this kind of environment before? It's like a dialog box. When you are installing application, it tell you next, select this, next, select this. Someone used this environment to build this thing that looks like a real template. It's like one would think that is a screenshot. It's not. Now the tools are here. Let's create a blank one. No. New. So it gives us a blank environment. Can we see? So whatever you want to build is here. Any of this, depending on what you have in mind. You see what I just did? You see what I did? I just picked a phone framework. Let me delete it. See me now, iPhone 5. I want to build the UI for iPhone 10 or iPhone 5. So I just click iPhone 5 and place here. Can you see now? Can you see now? So the next thing is, what will be the features of iPhone 5 that I want to view? Remember that every phone you see, somebody's thinking, it's somebody's idea. So the question is, what do I want to put on my environment? So having put the phone, now the tools I need. What is that? Switch, not battery, switch. Or like if you want to disable an application or you want to enable, you need a switch. When the switch is on, it's green. When it is off, it becomes dark, right? And then what does battery? Okay. Let me type battery. If it can look for it for us. It's not looking for it, but let's scroll. Are you seeing with me? Please, if you see, let me know. That's message. There's no battery there. Let me check the other one. Those online, are we following, please? We are looking for batteries icon. Okay, we can look for that online. It's not here by default. So let's pick other things. What's this one? That's tiny. Okay, I will increase it later. What is this one? That's a keypad. This is speaker. This serve as our battery for now. Let's increase it to look like battery. We want to put here. Okay, let's just leave that. So later we can look for the library, we can look for the plugins and put. So basically, let's put this to drawing. Zoom it out. So let's assume this is ready for us to use. All right. Now you can save this as an image or a PDF document. You can export it. Do that. Save as or export. So use any of these formats. Now, this is not as user-friendly in terms of prototyping as Adobe. So it has several tools that can help you achieve several other things aside prototyping. But when it comes to prototyping, it is not the best tool. That is why XD is better or Figma. So whichever one you want to use, but I told you from the beginning that Adobe XD is the current tool that's being used in the industry. So if you are going to learn any UX design, you must know how to use those. Okay, so please let's take questions because of time. It's already 8:30 on the dot by my time. Questions, please.
Hello, Mr. John.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I noticed that in your own version of Edraw, you have all the templates already activated. But in the version I downloaded, if I do not upgrade to premium, I will not have access to them. So I don't know if you are using an earlier version of that app or you've paid.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
It's asking, the person online is asking that my own version of Edraw has several tools, but his own has limited tools. So is it written trial version on your own?
Yes, trial version, yes.
That is why. If time permits us, I will show you how to code it, and then it will become full version for you.
Please, time was permitted. Please, bro.
I know. I know you like that one. I'll show you how to crack it.
All right, please do. Thank you.
Please. Okay, the cracking. Okay, let me show you how to crack it. After installing it, install from the folder I shared with you, sir.
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. Can you still see my screen?
Yes, I can.
See. What I see, sir?
I can see export office, export graphics format, TITF format, export and send. That's what I can see.
Okay, I don't come up from there. Okay, let me just look for my Edraw and I will show you how to crack it, and then we'll go. But before you crack, you will need to close the Edraw itself.
Okay.
Yes, you need to close it. After closing,
okay, your screen is stuck on the EdrawMax drawing one page. That's all I can see.
Yeah, I never they show you what I was showing.
Okay.
Okay. Let me make you see what I wanted to see.
Okay.
Time is running out. Okay. Can you see my screen now, sir?
Yes, I can.
What I see?
Your
it's a folder
library.
explorer. It's a folder you are seeing.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, that folder. Edraw. Yeah, Edraw soft drawer.
Fine. There are two important folders inside that folder. You see RBC and it's set up. So are you following?
Yes, I am.
So you click on crack RBC. There is a file, a README file. The instruction on how to crack is there. I'll just read through the instruction for you to follow.
Okay.
So what the instruction says is that it's a file called user.config. Inside that ROBC subfolder, inside this ROBC subfolder, you see user.config. It's a configuration file.
Okay.
You copy it and then go to the root directory of your eDraw in your drive C. In fact, the URL is there in the README file.
Okay.
So you go inside and paste it. It will ask you whether you want to replace the existing one. You say yes.
Okay.
So once you say yes, the next thing you do is you go back to this, you come back to this ROBC folder, you see add, you click to install. That's how it will crack it.